How to use 1Password beginner's guide. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you 1Password, how you can use 1Password to simply store and use strong password. You will be able to log into sites and fill forms securely with a single click. It's a very secure platform and a safest way to share login passwords, credit cards, and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to 1password.com and you will land right here. Now, 1Password is a well-known platform and it's really good for your secure web browsing. How to get started with 1Password? What you have to do is you can click on try 1Password for free. Now you will land right here on the pricing page. The first plan, which is going to be a business plan, which is $7.99 per user per month, and then there is a Teams starter pack, which is going to be $19.95. So this is for Teams. If you are an individual and if you want flexibility and control for your advanced business too, then you can simply go ahead and try it out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one and simply click on try 1Password for free. We get our own free trial. So to create an account, you simply enter your full name, email address, company name, company size, and click on get business security if you want to get the newsletters and emails, and then simply click on create account and you will be able to simply create your own account on 1Password. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up for 1Password, then you will actually get a PDF file. You can see right here, you simply download the PDF file and it's for emergency. If you like lost your password or something happened, so this PDF will actually help. So that's a very impressive, idea by 1Password. After that, they're asking you to invite your family members or your team. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this step. And there you go, you have your own dashboard right here. This is our 1Password. This is what we get after the initial sign up. So now let me actually show you how we use it. This is a brand new account that I created for you guys, and I will be able to show you everything from the start. Now we have the vault option. So vaults like store all of your password, credit cards, and other items. So to create a new vault, you simply click right here. Before I create a new vault, let me actually show you different options we get here quickly. So we have because I have created a family 1Password, I'm getting this family option. Then we have people, invitations, vaults, integrations, billing, and settings. So it's very basic. Let's go ahead and create a new vault. Simply click on this option. Now, what you have to do is you will simply enter the name for your vault. Let's call it social media. All right. Now I simply have to add a description. This is completely optional, but I'm going to go ahead and type in the description really quickly. Now click on create vault. And there you go. I have my new vault right here. I have social media vault. So what is a vault? What happens is on 1Password. Now this is one of my vault and I will be able to add all of my different passwords right here. And I will be able to share this vault with other people, and I will be able to add integration. So we can create more than one vault for different purposes, for different functions, and it helps us organize our workspace. It helps us organize our family, our passwords, and everything. So what I'm gonna do now is I will actually go to edit details of the vault, and you can see right here, this is the name, again the description. Click on save. Then we have view vault option. So if I open up the vault, this is what it will look like. I will simply add new items to my vault. So we have different categories are available, such as credit card, identity, secure notes, or logins. So what I have done is I have created a vault for social media. I will click on this plus button. You can see right here, we get a plus button at the bottom of our screen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that what kind of thing. So I am actually going for password, and in here I'm going to add the password for my different social media. So I just simply have to add the title, and I'm going to call it Facebook. There you go. You enter the password for your Facebook, whatever your password is. So I have this password. Then we have to enter the website. So this is Facebook. Now what I can do is I can go to facebook.com, right? For now, let's just get the basic link for the website rather than getting the link for my profile. So I'm just going with the website. After that, we have labels, we have notes, we have tags. But for now, I'm just going to click on save, and you will see that a new item has been created. So that's how we simply work on a 1Password. Similarly, I can go ahead and now create another one, and I can actually create different things within a one vault. Now I can add more passwords, right? This is the way a password is added on a 1Password. Let's say that I want to add a subscription. Okay, let's go for subscription, and I'm gonna go ahead and select a membership. There you go. Let's say that I want to add my membership for YouTube. All right, now I will simply select different sections. Now there are a lot of sections. I'm going to delete the group one, and then we have member ID. I'm going to keep this one, member since, member name, telephone. So now what I'm going to do is I will simply enter the website again. So for now, I'm just going to type in, but of course, as I showed you, you simply get the link. Member name. So this is my member name. I am the member since 05. There you go. And then we have expiry date. So I have typed in everything. I have typed in my name, member since, expiry date, everything. All I have to do is click on save, and that's how you simply add a membership. Now again, I will click on this plus button, and we get different options such as document, credit cards, bank account, crypto wallet, database, medical record, email account, driver's license, outdoor license, password, servers, social security numbers, software license, and wireless router. So if you're working with family, you can see how it works. It's very easy. All the family members will be able to check a security number from here, social security number. If you have a crypto wallet and you want to keep it private, you can add all the details right here. It's very secure. You don't have to worry about anything. You can also check your recently deleted here. Then you can see I have two categories in this vault. I have passwords and memberships. I can go to passwords. I can add more passwords here, and I can add password for my Pinterest, my Instagram. Similarly, I can add documents, I can add database. So that's how we work on 1Password, and it's really good. I can keep this vault private. I can actually share it. So I'm gonna keep this one private to me because it has my passwords. So I'm just going to keep it private, and you can see whether this is my name. And all I have to do now is I can just go back to my main dashboard, and you can see all three items. I have three items in total. I have favorites, watchtower, logins, everything. And now what I can do is if I want to invite people, I can go to invitation option. I showed you the vaults. Then there are billing. In billing, I will be able to add billing address and billing for my 1Password because it's not free. We have to pay. This is the free trial that I'm getting for you guys. So you can also get a free trial right now. Then we have the integration, how to integrate something to your 1Password. Well, what happens is that you can simply go ahead and integrate any of the different applications such as privacy.com. So I have privacy.com, which is a virtual card that we get. Then in emails, we're getting fast mail. Similarly, we can integrate different applications that are secure to use, and for the platforms we use for online payments and more. So you simply select the platform, and after that you connect it to your 1Password, and an integration is created. This way you will be able to customize your 1Password experience and log into all of your different social media, to your different platforms, keep track of your crypto wallets, add documents, credit cards, debit cards, everything from just one platform with a single click. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use 1Password. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.